opinion, Bbreadman is a cheating streamer. I have covered him many times on this channel, in which I believe we have presented the best evidence to have a streamer banned, but Call of Duty simply looked the other way. This alone is the best evidence of a streamer cheating, and Activision did not ban Bbreadman. For context, the yellow players are behind the hangar walls, and he shouldn't be able to see him, yet tracks him perfectly. Once again, he has been spectated by Grandpa Hacks, and these are the moments selected by you, the community. Let me know what you think. This is a common trick cheaters do when running wall hacks. You can spot a cheater if they look at the ground, and zoom in like this. Wall hacks are sometimes set for toggle on ADS. Nobody zooms in onto the ground like this. This allows the cheater to get a good idea of the enemies around him. He does the same thing again. I believe Bbreadman is using wall hacks to find the location of enemies. He is trying very hard to not make this obvious. Remember, Bbreadman should have no idea someone is inside the building. Look as he misses his first shot. He then toggles aimbot and gets the kill. It now locks onto the next target he shouldn't even know is there. This is because the aimbot was still pressed. It becomes more obvious when we examine it frame by frame. That is completely unacceptable. How is he able to lock onto the hitbox of an enemy that is behind a wall, in a building he should not even know is there? Bbreadman messed up. Watch as he tries to pull away from the enemy in an attempt to cover his tracks. As Bbreadman thinks he is being rushed by an enemy, he runs back to the top of the roof. He toggles his walls again. He makes the mistake of assuming he can see an enemy. But the enemy is still inside the building. And not visible. He messed up. He assumed the enemy was in the open. Watch as Bbreadman uses walls to locate and shoot the enemy he shouldn't even know is there. I am now going to turn the sound up high, in case the simps try and claim he heard the enemy. Bbreadman can hear the guy running around below him like an elephant. There is no other sound cue from the next building. However, he knows exactly when to pop his head up and shoot the guy in the back. Warning: the next sounds will be very loud, but it's important I do this to prove there is no sound cue from the building. Absolute clown behavior. Subscribe for more videos for more cheating streamers. The new Warzone map will be upon us very soon, and I'm ready to catch these rats. Let me know in the comments about these clips and give me your thoughts on them.